What is up, Ukers? My name is Erick. Today I'll teach you how to play From the Inside Out on ukulele. And this song is requested by Mellifluous Melody. Basta yun. Alright, and make sure your ukulele is in standard tuning, just like mine. Alright, and here's a piece of paper with all the chords that you'll be needing for this song. I'll give you a couple of seconds. Take a look at that while I have a sip of my water. Water. Right. We're going to play this song in key of C. So in key of C, we have F, we have C, we have G, we have A minor, and D minor. We're going to use them all. So if you don't know them, please learn them one by one. Let's begin! Right, the strumming pattern I suggest for this song is down, down, up, 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 down. Again. Let's practice. Alright, that strumming pattern, if you notice, I always use that strumming pattern. You can easily separate 4 beats to 2 beats. Tag 2 beats. Parang ganito. Down, down, up, 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 down. 4 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4. If you want to separate 2 beats, gagawin lang natin yung down, down. That's 2 beats already. And then the rest of the beats, the rest of the strumming pattern, yung up, 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 down, that's another 2 beats. Just like this song, there are, chord progression na nahati sa dalawang beats. Kaya very useful itong strumming pattern na ito. Let's proceed with the song. So the intro goes F, C, and G. F is 4 beats, C 2 beats, G is 2 beats. Ten and ten ten ten. Ten and ten and ten and ten and ten and ten and ten and. You get what I mean? So down, down. That's the intro. Let's go to the verse. Before we go to the verse, I'd like to say thanks to the 500 subscribers at this channel. Marami pong salamat. And to my lovely soon-to-be wife, thank you for support. Ayan, kasi she bought me a camera. Yun yung ginagamit ko nung nakaraan pa. And yun din yung camera na ginagamit ko ngayon. Very supportive. At marami nga dito galing sa kanya. Biro lang. And the verse goes like this. F, C, G, same. F, C, G. Tapos mag-iiba lang siya pagdating ng everlasting. Coming from intro, for example. This is the intro. A thousand times I failed. Still your mercy remains. Up, 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 down. Down, down, up, 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 down. Down, down, up, 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 down. And it will change sa part ng everlasting. Because it goes like, everlasting, your light will shine when all else fades. You can strum it that way, or strum it the same strumming pattern that we're using from the beginning. Yun yung down, down, up, 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 down. This everlasting part is 2 beats. Each chord 2 beats. So, it goes like, down, down, up, 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 down, and down, down, up, 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 down, 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 up, 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 down, and down, down, up, 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 down. Everlasting, your light will shine when all else fades. After that part, we go back to the intro again. It will be played like that in the song, diba? Again. Then verse again. Your will above all else, my purpose remains. The art of losing myself. Down, down, up, 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 down. Then everlasting again. 2 beats each. Everlasting, your light will shine when all else fades. Part pa rin to ng second verse. Your glory goes beyond all fame. After nyan, doon na tayo sa pre-chorus. Yung hey, my heart and my soul. Yung chords natin dyan for that part is F, 4 beats, C, 4 beats, G, I'm sorry, A minor, 4 beats, tapos G, slide out, and then balik sa F, 4 beats, C, 4 beats, G, 4 beats, and jump to D minor. And this part, you can strum it like down, 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 down. Hanggang sa sa chorus, 'di ba? I mean, papunta ng chorus. So let's try the pre-chorus. In my heart, in my soul, down, down, up, 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 down, control. G, G, G. Again. In my heart, C, become my embrace. G. B minor. You can strum it the same strumming pattern going to chorus everlasting. Again, let's try. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. In my heart, in my soul, I give you control. Consume me from the G, 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 and let justice and C become my G. Up, 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 down, and down, down, up, 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 down. And then we go to chorus, and that's the last part of the song, aside from the interlude. Okay, so same. Everlasting. Mag-iba lang siya. It will change in this part of the song, yung and the cry of my heart, because it goes like and the cry F, C, G, and then A minor. Okay? Tapos niyan, F, after that, F, G, F, G. Tag 2 beats lang yun lahat. Let's see. Let's try. And the cry of my heart, down, down, up, 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 down, 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 up, 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 down, 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 up, up, again. And the cry of my heart is to bring you praise. Then the F, F, G, and F, G, Lord. Okay? When you reach the point of interlude, that's the part of the song that is in my heart and my soul. In my heart and my soul. Yun yung chords ng interlude. And there you go. That's the whole song, From the Inside Out by Hillsong. Hillsong Worship or Hillsong United? I forgot. This is an old song, but this is priceless to me because it speaks a lot about the grace of God. What do you want to learn next? Let me know by commenting in the comment section box below. And if you want to see my future videos, you want to see my updates, please don't forget to subscribe. Consider ringing the bell. Hanggang sa muli po nating pagkikita. Paalam!